Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video I'll show you guys how can you import your own music to your Spotify app on your mobile device. So if that's what you want to do, follow up with me and let's jump right into it. First, since we're going to use the app, we need to get something out of the way. Open your Play Store or App Store and find Spotify here, because we need to make sure the app is up to date, or at least you have a newer version, so none of those very old versions, for everything to run smoothly in this process. After that, you can quit the store, and we still won't use the Spotify app yet. First, go to settings from here. Scroll down till you find apps. From here you can find Spotify like that, or you can just look for it. And once you find it, just tap on app permissions. We're here to make sure the app has access and permission to your music and audio files. Make sure it's allowed, because if it's not, it cannot be, or it cannot really import the music that you have on your device into the app. So make sure this one is granted, whether you're on iPhone or Android, doesn't matter. Make sure that is done. After that, you can quit these settings now and open Spotify. Of course, you have to be logged into your account, and then you tap on your profile picture that should be in the top left corner. You will get this menu. Go ahead and tap on settings and privacy, and then from here find apps and devices and open it. And now from here, as you can see, it says local audio files. It's gonna come by default turned off. All you need to do is to turn it on. As you can see, it says lets you add tracks from this device to your library. That's all you need to do, just turn it on. Before you go check your library, you need to go ahead and close the app. Now open Spotify again, go to your library, and then here you find the new category that says local files. Now I don't have any music in my device, but if you do, you should be able to open this category and find your music right here. As you can see, mine says your audio files will appear here. We didn't find any playable audio files because I don't have music again. And if you had any playable songs or audio files, you can find them here. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and see you in future videos.